The part about PFH I like is the teaching technique they use is very hands-on. It's as effective as it can be because the professor is right in front of you and then you can ask questions. The professors give you some exercises for you to understand how to survive in the labor market. You're also learning how to present in front of 20, 50 people, how to gain feedback. It can be critical, it can be unfiltered. You get to experience different type of learning skills from each professor. You know that you're learning something by the end of the day. Can you ask me that question one more time, please?